So, just removed this DPF to inspect. This is the intake side of the DPF, diesel particulate filter. And then as we flip it around to the other side, as you can see just down in here, look at the state of that. Try and get it so the light is on it. Easier said than done. But as you can see, right at the bottom there is it's all corroded, all gone a bit dirty, shall we say. And as you can see, that perfect circle, if you were going to ask why have we got that perfect circle there, if we flip it back round again, funny enough, that perfect circle is in line with this hole, so all the gases come through here. Obviously they do go everywhere else, but that's exactly where they go when it comes through there. And this is a Mercedes E-Class 2.2 diesel. So here's that DPF from before. Customer wanted us to remove it. He's going to be using the vehicle as a drift car. I can see why he didn't want this in there anymore. Time to go welding. Okay guys, just going to show you a little bit of gasless MIG welding. There we are guys. Give that a clean up and I'll show you the finished product. Here we go, this is the finished product. And the customer found out I was doing YouTube videos for his exhaust and asked for a shout out. So on that note, big up Woking Massive.